we got our Lego Harry Potter minifigure collection again!
Yes!
Hey, you may be noticing 2 new figures. We got Draco and Professor Trelawney. Andy and I gave those ones to our older brother for his birthday.
Yeah.
So now we got 12 of 22, and we only need 10 more. But now, we only need 8 more!
If they're not duplicates.
Okay. Hands to face. Thank you. Our mom wanted to test out to see if she could feel out the figures to see, like, if she had the skills. So, credits to you, Mom.
Thank you. Excited.
Okay. She wrote down her predictions on this piece of paper. Here, you could see them, but we're not going to look at the screen.
Upside down.
It's upside down.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Do you want me to open first?
Here, you can open first.
Okay.
Here, be careful so you don't get any.
I won't. Okay, here we go. No, I can't.
Ooh, it's Tina Goldstein!
Tina!
Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, and a hot dog.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
That's right.
And now here for number 2. This one is Professor Flitwick! So both of the predictions were correct.
Look at the paper.
Yeah!
Good job!
He has a bow tie piece.
I did a good job.
Okay, so this is Tina.
And then here is Flitwick. He comes with a new hairpiece, a new megaphone piece, and a bow tie piece that was also used for Bruce Wayne in the Lego Batman movie.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, Andy's not here right now. He's watching a football game. But we got all 14 of the figures that we have lined up in order of the checklist. We haven't showed the figures that our brother got for his birthday. So here's Draco. He has short legs because he's designed to look on how he looks in the Chamber of Secrets. A new color of his hair, and he's in his Quidditch robes. And there's a new snitch piece. That's cool. And then we also got Professor Trelawney, and she has a new hair piece. And then there's the dress piece, and then there's also a teacup. All this wizard talk makes me want to be a wizard. See, I got magical skills too. Well, that's all for us. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Here is the new Tina figure, and we're going to compare her with the LEGO Dimensions version. See, that was magical. So, the LEGO Dimensions version is more gray overall, and the new minifigure series one is more blue and has a hot dog. So, and this one has the old one. P.S. I said P.S. because that's like, it's like the end of the video, because like, you say P.S. when it's the end of the letter. You get something else? Well, we got more figures. Well, we just got 2, but our older brother already got one of them. It's pajama / invisibility cloak Harry. So the invisibility cloak is silver, and then it has a cool patterned design inside. And it has him in his pajamas, and he's designed to look like he's a first year.
Okay.
But now, here to go. Okay. Don't be a duplicate! Ooh, Mad-Eye Moody! That is really cool.
Primo. Where's his face? That's weird.
That's Barty Crouch Jr.'s.
I know. So first we're just kind of.
Ooh, the Polyjuice potion. It's a Maraca piece, but they flip it upside down and like color it a little differently to be the Polyjuice potion.
So, first up, we got Barty Crouch Jr.
And then you could give him the Polyjuice potion.
And then he drinks the Polyjuice potion.
And then
And he is Mad-Eye.
give him his staff.
And his staff.
What was that? Well, that's all for us.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.
Unboxing Bros Nation!
PPS.
PPS!
I got another figure. I mean, I had to, and I haven't posted this video yet, so I'm like, well, because you're watching it, I have posted it. But by the time, like,
We got this.
We got
we
this.
hadn't done it.
yeah,
Let's see.
because so I'm
It's
just
random.
here. Yes!
Yes!
Yeah! We got Graves!
We got him!
We got Grindelwald!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Where does face go?
He's the rarest one.
This is mauve. This is
Oh,
like the
yeah.
definition of mauve.
Yeah. So here he is.
We got him. We got him.
I had to feel him out, like just feel out the two hair pieces. So here's Graves,
I got it.
and then
I see him. I haven't been able to hold him yet.
and then here's Grindelwald, and he has the Elder Wand.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see. Oh, this is like the definition of mauve.
So only 5 more to collect.
Hopefully, that's all for us.
Please like and subscribe.
I know we've said that like a million times this
Well,
video, but still.
That's all for us. Please like and subscribe. Bye.